destroy method is because destroy method doesn't run automatically. Init method runs automatically whenever bean is created. Then after that init method is executed. You don't have to call this method, but the destroy method you need to call before the destruction of the bean. That's a restriction for destroy method, so you have to call your destroy method here. So d1 destroy. Now if I run it, it will print destroy and init both, means content of destroy and init both. See, here it is printing init method and here it is printing the content of destroy method. So yeah, so this is the restriction, but you can solve this problem by using different implementations of application context. Like if I use generic XML application context GAP is equals to new. Okay. I'll pass the XML file inside this. And this is okay, spelling mistake. Generic okay. So why I'm using generic application context? Because see, here I have one option, that is register shutdown hook. I don't have this option with class path XML application context. Here I don't get this, sorry, AC register, I don't have this option. So that's why I'm using generic XML application context. So here I can register shutdown hook, which will automatically manage and call destroy method before the destruction of the bean. See, I'll mention here, and here I'm not calling destroy method, so this statement should not be printed as per the earlier configuration, but in this case it will still print destroy method, because this bean destruction and the process of calling destroy method is managed by register shutdown hook. So see what happens if I try to run now. See, still it is printing destroy method statement. Whatever statement I wrote inside this destroy method, so it has printed because I have registered shutdown hook here. So this way it can work. So this is one way to create the init and destroy method. I have another way to do the same thing by using two interfaces, that those are initializing bean and disposable bean. So these are the two interfaces which contain two. Okay, just a minute. Disposable bean, initializing bean, and unimplemented method. There is one method inside initializing bean, that is init method, and one method inside disposable mean, that is destroy. Sorry, inside initializing mean we have method after property set. So this is my property after property set method. So what I'll do, I will write the content of init method, that was custom init method inside Java provided init method, that is after property set, that act as init method, and I will write the content of destroy method. Where's my destroy method? Yeah, so content of this method I'll write inside. Okay, it has not provided. Okay, let me implement unimplemented methods. Okay, so now it would have provided. Yeah, I have this method. Okay, so I will use the custom made destroy and init methods. I have removed. Now I have Java provided methods. So let's see whether yeah, so one more change I need to do. I don't need these attributes, because I have already implemented two interfaces, so these interfaces will take care of destruction and initialization. So let's try to run this. Okay, let me save it. Let me save this one as well, and now let's try to run this. So same work will be done by these two methods. See, still it is printing the same thing. That means after property set method is behaving as custom made init method, and destroy method, which is provided by disposable bean interface, that act as destroy method, which we created in earlier example. So this way also we can create this destroy method and init method. There's one more way to do the same thing. So now I'll explain that method. I will remove these implementation. I would not implement any interface, and I will write my own method, like my dest, and this is my init. So I'm creating my own method again, but in this case I'm not writing those attributes inside my while creating bean. I'm not writing any attribute, any init method attribute or any init destroy method attribute. What I will do instead, I will write annotation post construct and one more annotation pre destroy. These annotation I need to use, and these two annotation will take care of destruction and initialization. So these annotation will say, or I can say, like, these annotations specify like this method which act as a init method, and this method will act as a destroy method. So in this case also, if I try to run, it will print the same output which was printed by other, which I printed using other two examples. So see, in this case also it will. Okay, one more thing. It is not printing as expected, so there should be some other changes I need to do, I guess. Yeah, I got it. Why it is not working? If I am using annotation, I need to specify that thing in my XML file. What I need to specify, I need